As you saw in the last episode, if you didn't look at the description down below, I made a BB gun tutorial. How to shoot it. If you didn't see that episode, really awesome. But draw. And the afterwards scene, I shot my BB gun at the box. A freaking bullet went through. I shot it right there, and it went through. You can see that it kind of sped it down, but it did go through. This is a cardboard box, so today, let's do another shoot. Do you see the box? Where's the crappy box? Do you see the box now? Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna be standing far away. I have no idea where that went. Okay. That was a bad one. I'm out of ammo. I'm gonna reload. Reload. Reloading right now. Well, then, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys. Please don't try this out.